Over 90% of drivers are completely clueless about the hidden features buried right inside their own vehicles. You drive your car every single day, yet you are likely ignoring built-in tricks that prevent serious damage. Here is the shocking part. Missing just one of these hidden features can literally set you up for a devastating $1,500 mistake. Dealerships and car manufacturers purposely bury this critical information deep inside thick owner manuals. They want you confused, panicked, and paying premium labor rates for things you could easily fix yourself. But not anymore. Today on Core Car, we are exposing 15 mind-blowing car secrets that will protect your vehicle and save your wallet. Make sure you stick around until the very end, because secret number 1 is a simple $20 trick that gives you the exact same diagnostic power the dealerships use, stopping mechanics from scamming you ever again. Let us begin the countdown right now with secret number 15. Secret number 15. The hidden sunglasses compartment. You are squinting into the blinding sun. Your expensive sunglasses are buried deep inside your center console under a messy pile of receipts and tangled charging cables. You are dangerously fumbling around trying to find them while driving at highway speeds. But here is what a massive number of drivers never look up to discover. There is a dedicated sunglasses storage compartment built directly into the roof liner right above your head. Look near your interior dome light. You will likely find a small, spring-loaded panel that flips down. Leaving your shades on the dashboard or inside the console exposes them to extreme heat. That heat warps plastic frames and permanently destroys expensive lens coatings. This sealing compartment stays at cabin temperature and is perfectly lined to protect your glasses from scratches. You can grab them with one hand without ever taking your eyes off the road. Check your headliner today. But if you think that hidden space is clever, wait until you see the secret hook designed to protect your expensive clothes from getting completely ruined on your next drive. Secret number 14. The grab handle coat hook. You just picked up expensive dry cleaning or a crisp suit for an important meeting. You toss it in the back seat, and by the time you arrive, it is completely crumpled and ruined. Here is what most drivers never notice while sitting in their car. There is a hidden coat hook built directly into the base of the grab handle right above your rear passenger doors. Automakers place it there specifically because that is the most logical place to hang items when driving alone. Flip that small plastic hook down and you instantly have a strong hanging point. It keeps your expensive garments completely off the seats and away from the dirty floor. No more wrinkles and no more fumbling around trying to find where your clothes slid to. Check your grab handles today, but if you hate ruined clothes, you will absolutely hate the blinding danger of this next nighttime driving problem. Let us fix that. Secret number 13. The auto-dimming rear-view mirror. You are driving on a dark highway at night. Suddenly, a massive truck pulls up behind you, and its glaring headlights blast directly into your eyes through the rear-view mirror. It is blinding and incredibly dangerous. Most drivers simply reach up, tilt the mirror away, and completely lose their rear visibility. But your car is likely already solving this problem without you knowing. Look at the bottom edge of your rear view mirror for a tiny green light. That means your mirror has an auto-dimming system. It uses sensors to detect harsh light and instantly darkens a special gel layer inside the glass. Stop tilting your mirror manually. You are actually defeating a brilliant safety system. Just leave the mirror in its normal position and let the technology block the glare for you. Now that you can safely see behind you, let us uncover a hidden button that stops the awkward grocery shuffle. Secret number 12, the remote trunk release. You just got home from the store. Your arms are loaded with heavy grocery bags before you even step out of the vehicle. Now you have to do that awkward balancing act, walking to the back of the car and fumbling for your keys to pop the trunk. A shocking number of drivers never realize they can open their trunk before ever leaving the driver's seat. Look down near your lower left door panel or under the dashboard. you will find a dedicated trunk release button. On most modern cars, this button works even when the engine is completely turned off. You can sit in park, press the button, and have the trunk waiting wide open for you. It saves you from dropping your groceries or scratching your paint with your keys. Find that button today. But speaking of the trunk, you are going to be shocked by the massive secret storage space hiding right underneath your groceries. Secret number 11, the hidden trunk floor storage. You are constantly struggling to pack your car. Bags are sliding everywhere, and you are completely convinced your vehicle just does not have enough cargo space for both your emergency gear and your daily groceries. Here is what a massive number of drivers never discover. There is an entire hidden storage compartment sitting directly underneath the fabric floor panel of your trunk. Most people assume this space is only for a spare tire, but automotive engineers specifically design structural pockets surrounding that tire to hold heavy emergency kits, jumper cables, and tools. Storing heavy items down inside this lower well actually drops your vehicle's center of gravity, making your car slightly more stable at highway speeds. Lift that trunk panel today. Moving your emergency gear into this hidden well keeps your main cargo area completely empty, perfectly protecting your valuable belongings from thieves who peek through your rear windows. Before we get to the really mind-blowing features, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button for Core Car. We put a massive amount of research into exposing these dealership secrets, and subscribing guarantees you never miss another money-saving trick. Speaking of protecting your car, you are going to want to hear about an automatic setting that guards your vehicle against careless drivers in tight parking lots. Secret number 10, the auto fold mirrors. You park your vehicle on a tight street or in a crowded parking garage. You walk away nervously, hoping a careless driver or a stray shopping cart does not smash into your side mirrors. Here is what they do not tell you. Most modern vehicles have a setting that automatically folds your mirrors completely flat every single time you lock the doors. Automakers usually disable this feature by default from the factory because they are overly cautious about motor wear. But those internal motors are specifically engineered to handle daily, repeated use. Dig into your infotainment screen settings and turn this feature on today. Replacing a shattered side mirror equipped with modern cameras and blind spot sensors easily costs up to $800. Protect your car automatically. Mirrors protect your car outside, but this next hidden adjustment protects your spine on the inside. Secret number 9, the adjustable headrest angle. Your neck constantly aches after long drives. You feel like the headrest is awkwardly pushing your head forward, or maybe it sits too far back to offer any real support, leaving you miserable on road trips. Most drivers wrongly assume headrests only move up and down, but almost all modern headrests actually tilt forward and backward to match your exact natural posture. A badly angled headrest is not just incredibly uncomfortable. In a sudden rear-end collision, a massive gap behind your head causes severe, lifelong whiplash instead of actually preventing it. Look for a button or lever on the side of the headrest post. Adjust the angle until the cushion rests comfortably and securely against the back of your head. Neck pain is terrible, but ignoring this next feature on your floorboard could literally cause a catastrophic crash. Secret number 8, the floor mat anchors. Your floor mat constantly slides forward every time you brake hard. It bunches up near the pedals, and you lazily pull it back with your foot, assuming it is just a minor everyday annoyance. This is a massive and potentially deadly mistake. A sliding floor mat can physically wedge itself underneath your brake pedal, completely preventing you from stopping in an emergency. Worse, it can jam your gas pedal wide open. This exact issue destroys cars and costs lives every single year. Your vehicle has a built-in safety system right under your feet. Look closely at the driver's side floor carpet. You will find small, heavy-duty plastic anchor hooks. Snap your mats securely onto these locking hooks so they never move again. Now that your pedals are completely safe, let us uncover a misunderstood button that is slowly suffocating your air conditioning system. Secret number 7. The recirculation button. You turn on your air conditioning and it is barely keeping up with the brutal heat outside. The cabin is taking forever to cool down, and you are literally sweating through your driver's seat. Here is a button that most drivers ignore completely. The system is working dramatically harder than it needs to because it is constantly fighting to cool down fresh, boiling hot air from outside the vehicle. Find the recirculation button on your climate controls. It looks like a car with a curved arrow inside it. Pressing this button stops pulling hot outside air and instead recirculates the cool air that is already inside the cabin. The temperature drops significantly faster, which takes a massive load off your expensive air conditioning compressor, preventing premature wear and a costly replacement. Knowing when to push this button saves your system. But this next trick clears your vision in half the time. Secret number 6. The air conditioning defrost trick. Picture this. You are already running late for work. Your windshield is completely fogged over, and you are sitting in the driveway watching the clock while the heater slowly does absolutely nothing. Most drivers just crank the temperature up to maximum heat and wait. But here is the secret they do not tell you. Your air conditioning system is not just for cooling the air. It actively pulls heavy moisture straight out of the cabin. And moisture is exactly what is causing that dangerous fog on your glass in the first place. Hit the air conditioning button manually while your heat is running. The heat warms the cold glass, while the air conditioning strips the humidity from the air inside the car. Your windshield clears in almost half the time, saving you from a dangerous zero-visibility accident. Now that you can see clearly, what do you do when your entire climate control system completely loses its mind? Secret number 5. The climate control reset. Your climate control system is acting completely erratic. The temperature will not hold steady, the fan speeds are totally inconsistent, and the system seems to have a mind of its own no matter what buttons you press. Most drivers immediately panic and book a dealer appointment. Mechanics know that climate control systems simply build up calibration errors over time, especially after a battery replacement. But they will gladly charge you a massive diagnostic fee just to plug in a scanner. You can actually reset the entire module yourself in about 60 seconds without any tools. Turn the ignition on without starting the engine. Then, simultaneously press and hold the fan speed up and temperature down buttons together for 10 seconds. The system reboots and recalibrates every sensor from scratch, completely free of charge. That quick reset easily saves you a $150 diagnostic fee. But this next hidden feature will literally roll your windows up for you when the weather turns terrible. Secret number 4. The automatic rain closing windows. You left your windows cracked open to keep the car cool while parked outside. The sky suddenly opens up without any warning, and by the time you sprint back to your vehicle, the expensive interior is completely soaked. Here is what most drivers have no idea their car can actually do. Many modern vehicles are secretly programmed to detect rain and roll all 4 windows up automatically without any input from you. It uses the exact same hidden rain-sensing technology that controls your automatic windshield wipers. When moisture hits the glass, the computer instantly triggers the window motors to secure the cabin. Dig into your vehicle settings menu today and make sure your rain sensor is enabled. A soaked interior breeds toxic mold and a permanent musty smell that destroys your resale value. Water damage is a massive headache. But what happens when a totally dead battery traps you at the gas station? Secret number 3. The emergency manual fuel door release. Picture this. Your battery is completely dead. Your fuel door is electronically controlled, and you are sitting at a gas station with an empty tank, totally unable to open the door to fill it up. It is the ultimate frustrating trap. Automakers know this electronic failure leaves drivers completely stranded, but they bury the solution deep in the owner manual. There is a manual emergency release hiding right inside your car. Open your trunk and look behind the interior panel where your fuel door is located. You will find a small pull cable or a hidden release lever. Pulling that hidden tab manually pops the fuel door open instantly, even with zero electrical power. Locating this cable ahead of time takes 20 seconds and completely saves you from paying a $200 towing bill just to get fuel in your own car. Being stuck at a gas station is bad, but being stranded in a dark parking lot with a dead key fob is terrifying. Here is the ultimate backup plan. Secret number 2. Starting your car with a completely dead key fob. You walk out to your vehicle late at night, press the engine start button, and absolutely nothing happens. Your key fob battery is completely dead, and you are officially stranded. Dealerships bury this critical information because they would rather have you panicking and calling them for expensive roadside assistance. Every single push-button start vehicle has a hidden backup system built right in. Your car has a passive radio frequency reader built directly into the start button. It can pull the security signal directly from the microchip inside your key, even when the fob battery has zero power left. Take your completely dead key fob, press it directly against the start button on your dashboard, step on the brake, and push. The engine will fire right up. This 3-second trick turns a ruined night into a minor inconvenience. Now, get ready for the ultimate money-saving secret. This final trick gives you the exact same diagnostic power as your greedy mechanic. Secret number 1. Diagnose your car with your smartphone. Your check engine light suddenly illuminates on the dashboard. Most drivers immediately panic, book an expensive dealership appointment, and sit in a waiting room for 2 hours just to be handed a massive bill for a simple diagnostic scan that tells them almost nothing. Here is what mechanics desperately want to hide from you. You can run that exact same diagnostic scan yourself right in your own driveway, using nothing but your smartphone and a simple device that costs less than $20. Every single vehicle built after 1996 has a standardized diagnostic port hidden under the dashboard on the driver's side. It is called an OBD2 port. Plug a small Bluetooth adapter into that port, download a free diagnostic application on your phone, and within seconds, you are reading every single fault code your vehicle computer has stored. The application tells you exactly what the problem is, how serious it is, and you can even clear the codes yourself to turn off the check engine light. You hold the exact same power as the dealership, right in your hands, completely eliminating those $100 diagnostic fees forever. Now that you hold the power to diagnose your own vehicle and save hundreds of dollars, you need to know about the massive lies mechanics will tell you when you actually do need a repair. Do not let them drain your wallet. Click on the next video from Core Car right now, where we expose the top 13 dealership repair scams that almost every single driver falls for.